What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna go ahead and inspect the oil drain plug and the oil pan, make sure the threads aren't stripped, and to see if I can find out why the oil keeps leaking and why the oil drain plug keeps coming loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up and get the car on the ramps, and I'll go ahead and do oil change, which will probably be off camera, and then I'll go ahead and bring you guys back when I start checking out the bolt and the threading on the both bolt and the oil drain or oil pan. Now that we've gone ahead and got the oil drain plug removed, let's go ahead and inspect the threads, and if there's nothing wrong with it, then I'll go ahead and wait for all the oil to drain out in the oil pan, and then we'll go ahead and inspect the threads as best as we can. All right, so here's the oil drain plug. So far the threading doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it, so I'm not sure if it's the threading inside the oil drain plug or the oil pan, or if it's the fact that I just didn't have it tight enough and it just vibrated loose over time from driving it. So let's go ahead and wait for the oil to completely drain out of the drain the oil pan, and then we'll go ahead and inspect the threading from there. All right, so the oil drained out of the oil pan and it's down to a small little trickle now. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and run my finger through the thread, see if I feel anything abnormal. If not, then I'm gonna just go ahead and continue with the normal oil change procedure and put in the new oil drain plug, and then I'll update you guys in my future videos to let you know if there's any issues or whatever. So here's the oil drain or the oil pan, and here's the drain port. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my pinky in there since it's the smallest finger that'll fit. And so far, I don't feel anything abnormal. It feels smooth like it should for threading. Well, since the threading on the oil drain plug is fine and the threading on the oil pan is fine too, I'm just go ahead, like I said, throw on the new oil drain plug and then basically tighten it as best as I can, because the only assumption I can think of is I didn't tighten it up very well the first time and ended up just vibrating loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then just continue on to a normal oil change procedure. And so that's just gonna wrap it up for this video. Sorry there's nothing exciting for you guys, but I thought it'd be nice to keep you guys updated, let you guys know about the issues that I come across, problems, repairs that need to get done, because that's basically what this channel is about. You know, mods, problems, fixes, repairs, you know, etc., you name it, and this channel will be about it. I know the GoPro unboxing video wasn't part of, you know, what the channel is about, but it was something I found exciting and decided to go ahead and upload it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bell notification icon, and then hit that thumbs up button on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.